Good evening, everyone. Good evening, and a happy Tuesday to you. Pandi here of Pandi's Beauty and Beyond. Happy Tuesday, chat fam. If you all are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. If you're already chat family with me, welcome back. And if you are tuning in with the live watch party premiere, shout out to you and friends with super channels. I am here today with your daily affirmation, honey, and today's message is one we all need to hear. I already know something about you if you're watching this video. You want to know what that is? You're probably tired. Not just physically tired, I'm talking soul tired. That deep exhaustion that comes from constantly doing, constantly moving, constantly being everything to everyone. Am I right? Again, today's affirmation is, I am worthy of rest and peace. And before you roll your eyes and think, that's nice and all, Pandi, but I don't have time to rest, I need you to stay with me, because what I'm about to share may just change your life. Now let me start with this truth bomb. You don't have to earn the right to rest. You don't have to earn it. You don't have to be productive enough, busy enough, or accomplished enough to deserve rest. Rest is not a reward for good behavior. Rest is a human need. But somewhere along the way, we got it twisted. We started believing that our worth is measured by how busy we are, how much we produce, how much we can handle, how many plates we can spin at one time. We wear exhaustion like some type of badge of honor. Girl, I'm so busy. I haven't slept in days. I'm running on fumes and coffee. I'm on a wing and a prayer. And we say it with pride like it's something to be celebrated. But fam, that's not success. That's survival. And we're in survival mode. And none of us were meant to just survive. We are meant to thrive. Let me tell you why rest is revolutionary, especially for women over 50. First of all, we've been conditioned our entire lives to believe that our value comes from what we do, not who we are. We've been taught to be caretakers, nurturers, providers, fixers. We're the ones who hold everything together, the glue. We make sure everyone else is okay. We sacrifice our own needs for the sake of others. And don't get me wrong, there's beauty in caring for others, but not at the expense of ourselves. As Black women, and as women over 50, as women who spent decades putting everyone else first, we have earned the right to rest. But here's the thing, we shouldn't have to earn it in the first place. Rest is revolutionary because it goes against everything society has taught us. It says that I matter, my well-being matters, my peace matters more than my productivity. When you rest, you're making a radical statement. I am enough just as I am. I don't have to prove my worth by ruining myself or running myself into the ground. That's powerful. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Pandi, I have responsibilities. I have people depending on me. I have bills to pay. I can't just stop and rest whenever I feel like it. And you're right. We all have responsibilities, but here's what I've learned. Rest doesn't have to mean abandoning your responsibilities. Rest means we have to be strategic about our energy so that we can handle our business without burning out. Let me break this down for you. There's a difference between being busy and being productive. You can be busy all day and accomplish nothing. You can run around like a chicken with your head cut off and still feel behind. But when you're well rested, when you're operating from a place of peace instead of panic, trust, you get more done and in less time. You make better decisions, you have more patience, and you show up as your best self. Rest isn't the opposite of productivity. Rest is what fuels productivity. Think about your phone. When the battery is at 5%, what happens? It goes into low power mode. It can't do everything it's designed to do. Some apps won't even work. It's slow. It struggles. That's us when we don't rest. We're operating at 5% battery trying to do 100% of the work. And then we wonder why we're exhausted, irritable, forgetful, and overwhelmed. We need to recharge. So how do you give yourself permission to slow down without guilt? How do you rest and still handle your business? Let me give you some practical strategies that have worked for me. Number 1, redefine what rest means. Rest doesn't always mean sleeping, though sleep is crucial. Rest can be saying no to an invitation so you can have a quiet evening at home. It can be taking a 10-minute break to sit outside and breathe. It can be turning off your phone for an hour or doing something that you enjoy just because it brings you joy, not because it's productive. It can be asking for help instead of doing everything yourself, or it can be taking a day off without filling it with errands and chores. Rest is anything that restores your energy instead of depleting it. Number 2, schedule rest like it's a non-negotiable appointment. You schedule your doctor's appointments, hair appointments, work meetings, schedule rest. Put it on your calendar. Treat it just like it's just as important as everything else, because it is. Maybe it's 30 minutes every morning before the day starts. Maybe it's one evening a week where you do absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Okay? Whatever it is, schedule it. And don't let anyone, including yourself, talk you out of it. Number 3, challenge the guilt. When you feel guilty about resting, ask yourself, where is this guilt coming from? Who taught me that rest is wrong? Is this guilt based on truth, or is it based on old programming that no longer serves me? Most of the time, that guilt is coming from beliefs we picked up from a culture that values productivity over people. It's not your voice. It's the voice of a system that benefits from you being exhausted and compliant. Tell that voice, thank you for sharing, but I'm choosing peace today. If you have people in your life who are used to you being available 24/7, they might push back when you start prioritizing rest, and that's okay. That's their discomfort, not your problem. You can say things like, I'm not available this evening. I'm taking time for myself. You really don't need to explain. You don't need to justify. You don't need permission. When you rest, you're not abandoning your responsibilities. You're preparing yourself to handle them with excellence. You'll find that when you're well rested, you'll handle your business faster and much more effectively. Again, I want to thank you all for tuning in for today's affirmation. I hope you all have enjoyed it. I hope you found it to be helpful. And if you didn't remember to do so on your way coming in, please don't forget to thumbs up on your way heading out. Stay safe, everyone, and thanks for watching.